Hi guys, I was gifted this LED motion sensor light. It does have a battery pack in it and I've already charged it. But let's take it out of the box and I can show you what it looks like. It does come with the instructions and a remote control, charging cable, and here's the light. So go ahead and turn it on. You can see how bright it is. It does have a motion sensor, so when you walk by it, it'll turn on. You can set it, dim the light or make it brighter, so you can adjust it that way. There is a timer on the remote, so it says 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. So you can operate this light with the remote or with the motion sensor. I'm actually gonna go put it up near my shop because a lot of times at nighttime when I walk up to my shop, it's dark outside. So I'm gonna go install it out there and then I'll show you tonight how it works. It does come with this metal plate. There's double-sided tape that it comes with, and it also comes with screws if you want to use those. And then it just sticks up there with those magnets. So, and then if you need to charge it, you just grab it, pull it down, and charge it. And then you can go put it back up after it's charged. So I wanted to show you that it had 3 different modes of light. So that one's more yellow, more white, and then more kind of like bluish. So there is 3 different modes of light there. And I have it set to only come on at nighttime when it senses. All right, let's check out this motion sensor light that we put up in here. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Turns right on. That's exactly what I need over here. So then I can come in my shop and it's super bright now. I'll get you a backup view. So it's kind of a mess, but you can see how bright that light is. It lights up the door and everything now. So this is exactly what I needed right here. So if you guys need a motion sensor light like this, go ahead and get this one. Thanks.